So hello everyone and welcome to another Power BI video. In today's video I am going to show you how you can show your management, salespeople, whoever needs to know that your sales are on fire. Let's get started. Okay, so how do we do this? The first thing that you do if you don't have a JSON file is you go to themes and save current theme. And I'm going to show you how to modify it, okay? So here is what a current theme normally looks like. You will get a name, data colors, background, foreground, and table accent. So what you need to do, this is from my current theme. If you want to get this theme, I have it available for download, for purchase on my website. Just go there and, I will have a link down below. So what you need to do is to add this bit of code into the theme. Okay, so there are different types of icons that you can actually have. You can have a GIF. So this links to a GIF that I'll show you in a second. This also links to a GIF. This is an embed image in Power BI. I have a video on how to do that. I'm going to also link it down below so you can go and check it out how it is done. But this is basically the code that you need. And this will add 3 new icons to Power BI. Let me show you. So here in Power BI, what you need to do is create a table. I have here a table that doesn't have any icons. You need to load the theme, right? So this is a bit ugly theme, so let me load my theme instead. It just looks the same, it's the same icons. And then we will go here, conditional formatting and icons, and you will see the icons when you open them up. So this is the fire one, this is the boom, and this is Curbal. So you see them here, fire, boom, and Curbal. Those are the icons, right? You pick whoever you want. I don't know, let's do a boom. It's time, but not there. You want to have it just with the highest value. So there you go. So now we have a boom every time, for the value that has the highest icon. For icons, I prefer to have just the icon either on the best or on the worst, but not everywhere. It's just a big mess. So this is quite cool. I think I like this one more than that one. So this is a way to engage with your audience. It's a little bit silly, but it might work and it might have people coming back to your dashboards for sure. So one thing, if you purchased recently my JSON theme, make sure you download it again because there was a mistake. So go grab it and I will see you again on Thursday with another video.